Welcome, beautiful thinkers. So this episode is talking about bodily awareness, asking the question, what's going on inside you? It's an important question and can be the gateway to newfound levels of peace and contentment. So let's begin.
This is a beautiful thought.
Let me ask you this question. What's inside you? So we might not notice. A lot of the time our attention is focused on the outside. We're looking at things that are going on around us. The sunshine, the trees, the television, our phones, our coworkers, our desk, our computer. What is going on inside us right now? I asked a friend this the other day. I said, okay, have you ever tried mindfulness meditation? She's like, what's that? She said she knew some similar techniques that are used sometimes or recommended in therapy, like grounding, when you count 5 things around you, this kind of thing. What about this? What if you look inside right now? Feel what's in your solar plexus. And she said, oh, that's weird. I said, yeah, interesting. It's like we're so disconnected, so alienated from our own bodies. When we turn our attention inward, it feels strange, it feels foreign. But this is an opportunity that's available to us in every waking moment, and possibly when you get good at it, maybe even when you're asleep as well. I've heard of that happening. So what if you turn your attention into your toes, or just let the sensations that are in your toes arise in your consciousness? And of course, at first you might feel the texture of your socks against your toes. Eventually, with a little practice, you might feel something inside you. What is inside you? It's interesting. It's intriguing. Maybe it's even a little chaotic sometimes. Maybe there is a little feeling of energy, a feeling of excitement, aliveness in every part of your being. You move through the different parts of your body, through your feet, your calves, and your thighs. And you start to feel also a kind of warmth. What is that? Is it just the warmth of your blood, of your muscles? Is it the warmth of your very being, the warmth of your soul, the warmth of your character? Maybe. And in your buttocks and in your belly. And you breathe in deeply and you feel the air and the blood surge into your belly. Maybe you can even feel those veins that are pulsing into your belly or through your arms. Maybe you even feel your heart beating as you sit here. What is inside you? What is within you? What's going on in there? It's a little bit of a mystery. And you don't have to smash the door down to find out. It's right there for you in the instant that you turn your attention within. And your solar plexus, especially. It's interesting. It's intriguing. The solar plexus, a lot of the time I feel, if I'm anxious, I feel it in my solar plexus, or maybe even nerves within my kidneys, on either side of either side of my torso. But if I feel excited, I also feel that within my solar plexus. Maybe there's a little excitement going on there right now, a little star beaming out in your solar plexus. What is inside you? Inside your shoulders, your neck, your head, the top of your crown. What is in there? I invite you to find out for yourself. Of course, if you're interested in this kind of exercise, the masterwork, one that I highly recommend, I know there are others, Eckhart Tolle's Practicing the Power of Now, the audiobook form, so you can hear the peace, the calmness in his voice. I recommend that Practicing the Power of Now audiobook. Thanks for listening. Thanks for having a little look inside you. See what's going on. Maybe it's something beautiful. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon.
A beautiful thought.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for jumping on to Spotify, subscribing on there or any other podcasting platform that you like, and sharing this with your friends. Got some great episodes coming up, ones I'm quite proud of, talking about infatuation, where I analyze cases from my own experience and find out how I got out of that that semi-toxic mind state which can consume us, get us into a crush, which we don't know how to leave. And what are the beliefs that actually back that up, that get us into that situation in the first place? So I hope you tune in for that and have a wonderful day.